Hey guys, I got a package courtesy of UPS. Yeah, okay, I won't go there again. From rockauto.com in the States. So, let's see what we got here. I went to my local Napa store and they've been really good. They've got a lot of parts for my old cars here. And I need some brake hardware. And they didn't have it locally, so they're gonna have to ship it from Ontario, and it's gonna be $30. And the part was a $10 part. So I thought I'd go online at Rock Auto and get a few things that I need, and the shipping was the same, $30 for everything I got here. Let's see what I got. I got some wiper blades. These are for my 1970 Chevy. So there's some wiper blades. Got a couple of valve covered gaskets. I got two of those. One's a cork from Felpro, and the other one's rubber. So I think these should fit any small block Chevy. So I got an old Chevy pickup here and my old Impala, so I'll be able to use these, no problem. What else? Oh, ordered a oil, what do you call that thing? Oil filter. Yeah, that's what they call that. Tough guard from Fram. I got that for my next oil change. And then I got a Bosch for the oil change after that. Oh, and I got some more wiper blades. How did I get two? Or is it one in each package? Oh yeah, it's one in each package. So I got two of those. Oh, and I got another. What the heck? Did I order three altogether? Maybe I did. So I got three oil filters. And this is the part I'm wanting to get from Napa, and it was going to be $50 because they had to get it from Ontario. So just the springs for the front brakes in my 70 Impala. And then while I was at it, I thought I'd get another pair of front brakes. Auto new brake shoes. Oh yeah. Yeah, those are the right ones, 3-inch. Or 2.75. Yeah, those look good. Yeah. So anyway, if you're gonna pay $30 for shipping, you might as well get a few things that you're gonna need. That's my idea anyway. Oh, and at Rock Auto, they always throw in a bonus. Oh man, look at that. Look at that. Nice little fridge magnet. Joey's Honda, built with Rock Auto parts. Wow. Nice. Thanks, Rock Auto.